Moonlight spills across the empty sheet. I trace the hollow where you used to be. Your scent still tangled in the cotton.
Who are these kids?
weave. A quiet ache I'm learning to believe. Morning comes and finds me still awake. The world outside can't wait another hour. Your hand rests light against my collarbone. I'm learning how to let myself be known. And every wall I've ever known falls softly down around me now. Oh, I never knew that love could feel this way, like the first warm morning after endless rain. I let the world grow distant, soft and gray. You're the only color that remains. I used to think that strong meant standing tall, but here I am, I'm not afraid to fall. Oh, I never knew that love could feel this way, like the first warm morning after endless rain. I let the world grow distant, soft and gray. You're the only color that remains. You're the only color. Moonlight spills across the empty sheet. I trace the hollow where you used to be. Your scent still tangled in the cotton weave. A quiet ache I'm learning to believe. Morning comes and finds me still awake. The world outside can't wait another hour. Your hand rests light against my collarbone. I'm learning how to let myself be known. And every wall I've ever known falls softly down around me now. Oh, I never knew that love could feel this way, like the first warm morning after endless rain. I let the world grow distant, soft and gray. You're the only color that